Hi, good afternoon. It's me again, the great Kiwinoy. Yeah, today is Sunday, 24th of May 2020, and the time now is 1:25 p.m. So as you can see, now my steps are ready to pour. So what I'm going to pour here is the first steps and the third steps. I just leave the middle step because it needs this side here needs to be dry. So this is the level of the steps and this is the level here. So that's about 110 mil apart. So basically the riser is 110 and the thread is 170. So once I finish pouring the steps, I'm going to modify the contour on this. You can see an orange line. So basically this area here should be cut 70 millimeter to get the level of the modified contour. And then as you can see, there's a level. So basically this is my baseline. So I transfer the level on this peg. So this level is about 170 mil from the top of peg. So and the finished ground here is 110. So basically they have a 50 mil difference, which is serve as a slope. So basically on this middle here we need to cut 35 mil to be able to have a slope. Okay, and then this is the level here. Yeah, the same level. So basically this is my reference here. So this ground level is okay. No need to cut this one. On this side here, so this level is okay, but in the middle we need to cut 40 mil on this level to be able to get the proper slope, as well as this line here. And this orange line here is the plant box. This one here is a plant box. So with the other side, here's the plant box, and this one is the plant box as well, but this is an skew 45-degree angle. So once everything modified, then we got a nice level or slope from the first step to the last steps. So here as well we need to cut 35 mil to be able to get the nice slope. So hopefully it won't rain on Wednesday or Tuesday, because tomorrow we're looking after our grandson, so I can't do anything. So I grab my measuring tape so that I can easily demonstrate what I'm trying to say. So this level is about 190 mil from the ground. So and the finish level here should be 110. The finish level should be 110, as you can see there. Should be 110. So which is a difference of 60 mil. So I calculate the midpoint. So that's about 35 mil, because the level now is 110 plus plus 150 to be able to get the proper slope. Yeah. So the same here. So the same here. So that's 120. So there's like 60 mil difference. So 60 divided by 2, so it's 30. So we need to cut here 35 mil or 35 mil to be able to get the nice slope from that point to that end to this point here. So this line here depends on the slope achieved on this line. Alright, to my subscribers, viewers, and other people watching my YouTube channel, I hope you like my small presentation. So, and hopefully I can pour concrete on Tuesday or Wednesday. It's weather permitted. Okay, thank you so much, and hope everything's okay. God bless you, and please be safe. Bye for now.